Hello everyone, and on today's Figma quick tip, I'm going to answer a question that some of you left in my previous table tutorial. So if you haven't seen this one, please go back there and check it before come to this. I'll leave the link in the description and I add the cards here as well. So the question is how to hide and show the rows in the table. And my advice for this in the previous tutorial was just to have a lot of items for each column and just deleting according to your needs. But for those who want more structure to it, I'll show you. So I have here all my table columns components that I built in the previous video. Each one having a lot of items inside of it are based on these table items components here. So I'm building a lot of nested components. But under here, the table columns, what I'll do is select the first row item of each column. Once I have selected all the items relative to the first row, I'll scroll down here until my appearance section of this design panel. I'll come to this eye icon here and I will right click it and I'll have the option to add a property to it. Call it, let's say, row 1, and you can call it whatever you want. Value will be set to true, and then I can create my property. I can do this for all other rows, but let me show you already how it works. So here I have my full table component, which is basically a component combining all the columns that I have previously in a single component. Create an instance of it, and when I have the instance selected, I can hit enter, which will select all the table columns all together. And now, as you can see, it shows my row 1 toggle here that I created. As you can see, it goes away with my first column entirely. So I can turn it on and off, and I can keep doing this. So let me do it for the second one to show it once again. I'll select all the second item for each columns. I'll come here to the appearance section of the panel, right click the eye icon, add another property, create property, come back to my full component here, hit enter to select all the components inside of it, all my table columns, as you can see here. They are selected. How I'll bring this panel here. And now I have row 2 also here toggled on. I can toggle it off and it will vanish, bring the moment off according to my need. And that's it for this Figma quick tip. I really hope it helps you in your future designs. If you have any more questions or suggestions for me to help you guys, just leave in the comments down below. Don't forget to share this video with your designer folks. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And I see you in the next one. Bye bye.